Make sure that you rack up on the snacks, because sometimes those snacks be your dinner. Okay? It gets real. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Seriah Alexus and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. If you're into all of that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be doing a video on the things that you need to bring to your dorm. In total, I have 17 things. This is just a list that I made of some things that I wish I had in my room or that really helps me out. So make sure that you watch to the end to see what you need to bring in your dorm. Alright, let's get into the video. So first thing I have is to bring a 6-foot long charger for your phone, whether it's iPhone, Android, whatever you have. Make sure that it's super long so that when you're all the way by your bed and your outlets across the room next to the door, your cell phone is still charging because it reaches that far. So having a long charger really helps with that. Next, I have to bring a microwave or refrigerator. Try your best to get a micro fridge. I had bought a fridge freshman year, returned it to get a micro fridge, and then the micro fridge came and it wasn't a micro fridge. It was just a microwave and a fridge. But you need them to be connected in some way. I don't know. Colleges want that because it's less likely to start fires, I think. Listen, I don't know. But I have a microwave and a fridge. I had to hide my microwave, guys. It's horrible. It's horrible. I hate it. So try to get a micro fridge. But overall, these two things you're really gonna need them. You're gonna need food. You're gonna want to heat it up. So make sure you bring that. Next, I had to bring a TV or a laptop. This may not be a necessity, but it was a necessity for me because when I did not have my TV, I was bored, or I was just just listen to music, talk to my family, my boyfriend on the phone. I had a laptop. That laptop was trash. I just got a new laptop, thank God. But I had a laptop and it was so slow, so I couldn't really watch Netflix on it. So I got a TV. I can just sit and watch TV while I'm in my room, and you feel like you're still in the world even though you're at college. You're still not missing the VMAs or whatever is going on. So bring a TV if you can. Next, I have to bring a lamp or a reading light. Personally, I like the reading light more because it's small. You can bring it anywhere you want. You can be in bed and you can have your reading light with you. My lamp is so bright, I might as well have the light on in my room. So I don't really use it like that, but it comes in handy to have a lamp. If your roommates sleep, you just want to use that lamp or reading light. So I would recommend bringing that with you. Next, I have to bring a full-length mirror. I went away to college my freshman year. I did not bring a full-length mirror and I regretted it for the first 3 weeks. So make sure that you bring that. Not all dorms come with full mirrors. Some of them do, but mine did not. So make sure that you bring your own full mirror because you want to see your outfit before you walk out that door, making sure you don't look crazy. Even though we look crazy anyway because we're in college and nobody cares. But yeah. Next, I have to bring a broom, vacuum, or a Swiffer. If you have a carpet, obviously you're gonna bring a vacuum with you. I bought a vacuum. I don't really use it like that because my floor is a hardwood, not hardwood, I wish. It's just a regular hard floor. Yeah, you're gonna wanna have something to clean the floor with. Next, I have to bring a printer. I personally don't have a printer, but I kind of wish I did because there's times when you're gonna be up real late or up early to print out that paper before class or right before you go to bed. And most of the time, I know for me, the printer in my dorm hall was never working, or out of paper, or everybody else and their moms is printing out a paper at 3 a.m. in the morning. It just I feel like it comes in handy to have your own printer in your room. Next, I have to bring a fan if your dorm doesn't have air conditioning. It be getting hot. Luckily, I was in dorms that had AC. It'd be cold most of the time I'm in school. So the AC is really not that big of a deal. But when it is hot, it does get hot. So make sure that you have a fan if you don't have AC in your dorm. Next, I have to bring an extension cord, something like this. Usually the dorm only has a few outlets, so you want to make sure that you can plug all your stuff in. You need that in your room, so make sure that you get that. And make sure that it's protected. I think that's the word. I'm gonna have a picture right here. And if you don't have that, they might take it away or confiscate it from you. Save you the trouble up front and make sure that you get the right stuff. Next, I have to bring an HDMI cord and a cable cord. If you're gonna be bringing a TV, yeah, that's kind of self-explanatory. But the HDMI cord, I don't have that. I really wish I had that. It's just a good thing to have because you can go downstairs in the lounge. Let's say one day if you want to watch a movie with your friends, you can use like Netflix from your computer computer and then put it on the CD. So you get that as well. Next, I have to bring storage bins. I got a bin with a lock on it, which for a gift, so I'm really grateful for that, because sometimes you may be going in random in your dorm if you don't know anybody in your school. Like, you may not know your roommate, so you don't know what they're capable of or anything like that. Luckily, I wasn't like put in that position, but you would want to have storage that you can lock up anytime, like if you have important papers or just anything valuable towards you that you don't want anyone to take. Make sure that you have storage bins just to organize your stuff, because we're not going to want to have stuff everywhere, and I'm pretty sure your roommate is going to appreciate you having stuff put away, so make sure you bring that. Next, I have to bring a first aid kit or medicine package. You might get sick, you're going to need medicine, band-aids, stuff like that, so make sure you have that in your room. Next, you're gonna need a hamper to put your stuff in. I recommend getting the small compactable ones that fit underneath your bed or something like that. I got one with wheels because it was just easier for me to bring that downstairs. I can just wheel it down, and usually the laundry rooms are in the basement, so I just wheeled my stuff down using the elevator. I recommend either one. The wheels came in handy though, so. And also, like, to bring my clean clothes back, I have a hamper that is like a backpack style, so that just made it really easy, especially if you wait a little bit after your laundry day and your clothes start to pile up. It's gonna be a lot to like carry that up, so the backpack ones are really good. Okay, and lastly, I have to bring snacks and more snacks. Okay, freshman 15, I don't know what they're talking about. Okay, eat as many snacks as you want. Don't let nobody tell you because freshman 15, whatever, sophomore 30, I don't care. Snacks is life, and you're gonna need snacks in your room. I feel like that's like everybody knows that, but sometimes those snacks be your dinner. Okay, it gets real. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if I seem like tired or whatever, not energetic. I am tired and I filmed this already, so I'm kind of like upset about that. But anyway, I hope this overall was a helpful video for you and you know what to bring. Make sure that you check out the description box down below, because I will have kind of like a checklist down there for you to print out if you want to, so you know what to bring to school. Make sure that you follow my social medias down below. I'm really active on Instagram, so make sure that you follow me there, and make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, hey guys, I make beauty, fashion, type of decorations. Specifically, I put spring lights. That deserves a drink of water. And maybe I was chatting too much, so the forces was like, you need to do a new video. What is this over here? Is this the part of my camera? Oh, okay, that's just on the screen. Oh, I'm bugging. Is there a bug in here? I see something flying. That was painful. And I feel like crying.